Hi, my name's Jackie Robbins. I'm from the UK and I live near Barcelona. I work at the Universitat Oberta de Catalunya, the UOC, and I'm doing my doctoral studies at the UAB, the Autònoma of Barcelona. My interest is in teaching languages online. I teach English as a foreign language, and I've taught English as a foreign language for many years, and I moved online about 12 years ago. And I think the potential there for students is incredible. My interest, particularly in my doctoral studies, is in forums, in how students interact with each other, but also with the teacher, and the role really of the teacher in getting those students to interact together in the forums. I've started doing some analysis of what the teachers are doing, looking at the types of posts that they put in their forums, in terms of how likely those are to generate interaction among the students. And now my next stage will be to look at what the actual students are writing to each other and how they use the forums to practice and get the most, to improve their English best in a short course, a relatively short course of one semester.